Let's also get you another breaking news that's coming in regarding actor MP Kangana Ranaut. In a shocking incident, she has been slapped. Kangana Ranaut has been slapped by a CISF Jawan. This shocking incident happened at the Chandigarh airport, where Kangana Ranaut was slapped by a female CISF Jawan. The Jawan was reportedly irked by some old remarks that Kangana had made. Kangana's past remarks on farmers is reportedly what had irked the CISF Jawan, and she had slapped the actor turned MP Kangana Ranaut. Let me go across to my colleague Amandeep for more on this. Amandeep, absolutely shocking incident there. What more details do we have? What are the authorities saying? Has there been any statement from Kangana Ranaut's team yet on this absolutely shocking incident?
Well, absolutely. So far, there is no statement from the side of Kangana Ranaut or her team as well. But we have spoken to CEO of Chandigarh Airport. He said that we are dealing with the matter. That means the information is very much confirmed. This incident, Shreya, reported in the airport lounge at Chandigarh Airport when Kangana was waiting for her flight to Delhi. Just because today take the flight to Delhi at around 3:30 p.m. And when she was sitting in airport lounge, all of a sudden, this female Jawan identified as Kulvinder Kaur, she was deployed there at launch itself, and she came close to Kangana and slapped her. And in fact, after that, she raised the point that this action against the statement of Kangana against the farmers, these were the old statements that triggered the CISF Jawan Kulvinder Kaur. So immediately, airport authorities intervene into the matter, and in fact now further proceedings are underway by the airport authorities, just because the matter is still inside the airport premises as well, just because both the incident has reported inside the airport, so airport authorities are dealing with it. CEO of Chandigarh Airport is now intervening into the situation, so he is further investigating and inquiring about the matter, and action will be taken accordingly. But very surprising and very shocking incident reported, Shreya.